Hey there, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of this Gerber One Flip folding pocket knife. This is a unique knife by Gerber because the aesthetics are so pleasing and just very different in that it has this gold bronze anodized blade and a green scaled aluminum handle that just makes the knife very attractive looking. It's a budget knife made by Gerber that is manufactured in China. Comes in around the $30 price point. You can get it for cheaper than that. Gerber is an American company, but has a long line of Chinese-made knives. This is a mid-size knife in that it comes in at 7.7 inches long with a blade length of 3.2 inches. The blade thickness is 0.15, so the blade's a little thicker. The blade material is a 5CR15 MOV. It's a drop point blade design with a hollow grind, nice tapered swedge, a plain edge. Has a small sanding choil. And the unique part is that bronze coated blade that really it's a very attractive looking knife that is connected to the green anodized highly scaled aluminum handle. It just looks really cool. It's an open back handle design with a stainless steel liner lock. Works very well. It has dual opening methods, a flipper, works great for me, and dual ambidextrous thumb studs. It is a tip-up carry design with a right hand only carrying clip. The handle length is 4.5 inches long, fits well in my large to extra large hand, and the scales give it nice gripping ability. Feels great. The knife comes in with a little heft in that it is 4.88 ounces weight with a 0.56 inch thickness on the handle, so it has a little heft to it. It's the Gerber One Flip. Now, when before I purchased this knife, I saw it and I thought, boy, that's an attractive looking knife, but the reviews, some people had concerns about it being sticky when opening, when new. And I thought, boy, for the price point and the attractiveness of the knife, I'd give it a try. And I worked through the sticky opening issue that it had by oiling the pivot point and opening and closing quite a few times and trying to work the blade in, and I was successful at getting it opening just fine for me. So you can get past the kind of sticky when new opening issue. And now I would give it, I would recommend this knife mostly for its attractiveness. It's just a cool looking knife. So here we go, everybody. Hey, I brought out a couple of other Gerber models. I have the Gerber Square here to give you a little comparison, which is a 2018 model, and the Gerber Sky Ridge. There we go. I think this One Flip is probably a 2017 model. Well, it's just a cool knife, very attractive. So there we go, everybody. It is the Gerber One Flip folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching. All right, bye now.